Hello, everyone. Welcome to At Home with Lisa. I am your host, Lisa, and I am so happy that you are tuned in on today. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And we want to welcome all of our new love bugs. So, without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So, today I am showing you the before of this vignette that you're seeing here. It is part of my entryway, but I am doing a fall vignette styling for you all on today. So I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the before look of the space before I redecorated it. This entryway, well, this wall means so much to me because we like to share God's many blessings to us, and we were blessed to be able to purchase this home. So this wall is our blessing wall, where we show you guys how we started from the ground all the way to the full structure that we currently live in today. So that's what this wall is all about. And then I have a table here that I'm going to style as well, and we're going to be taking out the green candle, and we're actually going to be changing that wall sconce there as well too, and we're going to be taking away the wedding photo. I'm sure it's going to be placed somewhere in the home, but for the fall season I want to have a rustic theme. I want to use like a rustic grays and just, different tones of rustics. So I hope this is something that you are interested in. And if so, just keep on watching and we're going to get into this video. And if this is something you like, please don't forget to click on that thumbs up. And also please leave me some comments down below, whether you telling me that you like what you see, whether you can give me some advice on something that I can change. I love to hear your comments. Now, without further ado, love bugs, let's go ahead and get into this video. I cannot wait to restyle this vignette for the fall for you guys. Don't forget, grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I redecorate for the fall.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a
As you can see, I have already changed out the sconce, and like I told you, I'm going for the rustic look and the rustic feel, so that's why I chose this wall sconce here, because it has that rustic look and feel to it. Those picture lights up there, eventually I'm going to change those out, but not in this video.
home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a